Welcome back to Financier Pro. This is breaking news. I had to make a video about this. NCAA is allowing athletes to make money now, finally. This is major, especially for low income neighborhoods. Major. So, this just came out today. College athletes may earn money from their fame. NCAA rules have changed. Wow. Wow. NCAA agreed on Wednesday to allow college athletes across the country to capitalize off their fame for the first time. The decision would allow students from coast to coast to strike endorsement deals, profit off their social media accounts, sell autographs, and otherwise make money from their names, images, and likeness, potentially directly millions of dollars to college athletes every year. They finally felt the pressure. Let's get it, because a lot of these cats were skipping college, going straight to the pros or cross seas or the G League. It was bound to happen, and they were going to lose money regardless, because no one wants to be dirt poor forever, especially if you have a big name. You're a big time basketball player. You're a big time professional athlete. This is major, for real. So, the Division One Board of Directors, which oversees the prominent tier of college athletics in the United States, voted to allow this to happen. What have the rules been? That means you can't make no money. That's the rules, regardless. So, I want to put together a plan of action for these players and not just make a breaking news video. So, what ways can you make money off your influence and your popularity as an athlete? Number one, you can put a podcast together. Basketball, football, whatever you want it to be. You're into volleyball, you're big in that area, or soccer. Soccer is major now as well. So put your podcast together. They now have video podcasting, and I'm gonna tell you one thing: video is more important than audio to me, because you get more views on a video. People see you and they interact with you. That's why I do a lot of these videos with my face in them now on my YouTube channel and Facebook. Affiliate marketing: get you a blog together, put these affiliate links in your Instagram account, Facebook, whatever, podcast, YouTube channel. Make sure, if you're an athlete and you have a lot of followers, get a YouTube channel ASAP. If you're live streaming video games, like a lot of young people do, even older people as well, but a lot of these college athletes, when they're not on their downtime, they're playing basketball or football or whatever, Call of Duty online. So make sure you live streaming, guys. Product or merchandise line: you can sell e-commerce on Shopify. You can set up a WooCommerce account. Uh, let's see, Players Point is another thing you could do. You can sell on your blog, your website. You can sell on social media. Get your Instagram up, Instagram page now, IGTV, Snapchat, TikTok. They're paying, so you get your followers up. You dunking that ball on people. Dunk that money in your bank right now with the NCAA rules change. YouTube channel vlog, like I said, put the affiliate links in your YouTube channel. Put the AdSense on and document yourself once a day, or once every week, or whatever you have time to do that. But make sure you keep your fans in touch with you, so that ad money can come to you, or you can sell merchandise to them. They might buy a book bag or a T-shirt or anything from you. People buy anything nowadays if you are popular enough. Sponsorships and endorsements. This is probably the most common way that's going to happen, and I'm telling you, they're going to have major money coming now. I'm talking about Mercedes-Benz, whatever you want it to be, college tuition, whatever it is now. Congratulations to the athletes, man, for real. There are going to be a lot of endorsement deals, and this is going to make headlines. Speaking engagements: if you're not scared to speak in front of people, you can make a lot of money speaking in front of a crowd of people who who follow you or who these colleges hire you. So get trained in speaking. Think about this. Once your career is over with, you can become an analyst like Stephen A or whatever, Shaq or whoever. Become an analyst and get another check off that. That's your retirement check, your play money. Let's see. That's about it for right now, guys. So I just want to give you some ideas on college athletes who can who can make extra money now, who can get sponsorships now because of NCAA rules. So you guys, man, I am proud of you. I am proud of you because they know that you were going straight to the G League at 17, 18 years old. You know, they know you were going across seas because who wants to sit up there? You have all this popularity. You're eating ramen noodles or whatever, and you dirt poor. You know, so shout out to you athletes, man. Peace and love. NCAA, thank you for allowing these people, these athletes, to make money, and because you were making all the money at first for years. So things have changed. See you guys next time on Financial Pro.